Hi Year 11, today we're going to look at finding the area of irregular shapes. So this method is mostly used for finding the area of blocks of land. Okay, so if we take the first type of irregular shape, so say we have something like this. Okay, you can see there it is a four-sided figure, so therefore it's a quadrilateral. First step that we do is we will draw a line to divide the quadrilateral into two pieces. One above, one below. Okay, now hopefully when you look at that you can see that what I've got here is a triangle at the top and a triangle below that. So what we will next do is from the vertices where the two sides meet, I will draw a straight line going down. It'll be a perpendicular line, and this is called an offset. We will do the same on the other side. So another perpendicular line is another offset. Okay, once we've put those in, what you then have is you can find the area of this shape simply by finding the area of this triangle here, so that would be piece 1, and then finding the area of the second triangle, which is piece 2. Okay, let's have a look at a figure with more sides. So say we have something like this. Okay, so what we've got here is an irregular shaped pentagon. Okay, in this case we will do the similar sort of thing. So we divide the figure so that there are two pieces. Now, if I then put in my offsets, once again the offsets go from each of the vertices, like that. Okay, what you can then do is you can see that we have created a series of basic shapes. So here we would have a triangle, so that would be piece 1. Here is a second triangle. Now this piece in the middle here, it looks like it's a rectangle in my diagram, but most commonly this shape will be a trapezium, because the measurement of this might be say 7 and the measurement of this might be say 8. So therefore it's not a rectangle. So in the majority of cases doing these questions, this here will be a trapezium. Your trapezium formula will be h over 2a plus b. H is the distance between the parallel sides, and then a and b are the parallel sides, which will be the offsets. Okay, and then if we look down here, you can see there are two triangles, but you can actually make it easier for yourself and do this as one large triangle. So this is area 3 here, and then the large triangle will be area 4. So you could work out the area of that entire figure with 4 pieces. Okay, let's move on to the examples that you have on the canvas. Hopefully you've downloaded it or have it open now so that you can fill it in as we go. Okay, so in the first question here, it says find the area of the quadrilateral. You can see here it's already been divided for us. So we've got the blue triangle and the pink triangle. Okay, if we call the blue triangle 1 and the pink triangle 2, you can see that it's already been numbered there for us. Okay, so if we go over to the side, we have area 1 equals blue triangle, a half times, they've told us the base is 14 and the offset is 3. So finding the area of that, we have 21 metres squared. Okay, moving on to triangle 2. Once again, the base is the same measurement, 14. It's an upside down triangle. So that is a half times 14 times 5. 35, and then to get the total, we add the two pieces together, which gives us 56 metres squared. Okay, let's have a look at example 2. All right, example 2 is pretty similar to the one that I just drew previously. It is an irregular shaped pentagon, and the baseline in this case is going to be that line there. So that would be the line that you would draw it in. All right, if we then go around and then work out our pieces or our areas, we have a triangle here, so we would call that area 1. This shape in here is a trapezium. 17 is a parallel line, 24 is a parallel line, and then the height is going to be this dotted line here. So that's area 2. We have another triangle down here, that's 3. And then over on the other side, we can do one large triangle So that'll be area 4. So we have 4 areas to find in this question. Okay, so if we look at area 1, it's a triangle. We have a half. Okay, half times 24 times 16. Okay, looking at area 2. So as I said, it's a trapezium. So the trapezium formula I gave you earlier. So putting those numbers in, we want that distance there, which means we add the 17 and the 10 together. We get 27. Okay, we get an area of 553.5 metres squared. Okay, moving on to area 3. Okay, another triangle, we get 127.5. And then finally, area 4. Now, area 4 is that whole triangle. So we need to find the length of that entire line by adding these together. And that will give us 58 times 32. Okay, giving us 928 metres squared. All right, so to get the final area for this figure, we add area 1, area 2, area 3 and area 4 all together. Adding those all together, (1801 metres squared). Okay, hopefully now you'll be able to work through and complete the worksheet that I've attached.